In this stretch tutorial, we're going to be doing a sagittal calf stretch. This is a fantastic stretch for those looking not only to stretch the calf, but also to work on hip flexion as well. So what you're going to do firstly is you're going to find a wall, or if you're running, this could be a tree or something that you've got around you that's a fixed object. And you're going to place your hands on that object at completely shoulder height. From here, you're going to come back, and with one leg, you're going to lean forwards with this first knee, so my right knee here, the one that's not doing the stretch. And with my opposite leg, I'm keeping it completely straight, so completely straight at the knee. So for me, when I'm leaning forwards here, I don't feel a stretch in my calf, so I know that I've got to come back a little bit further. And all of a sudden, in this position, by bringing my hips forwards, I now can feel that stretch. And I'm going to hold it there for my desired amount of seconds. And if we want to be a bit more dynamic and get a 2-in-1 whilst we're doing this, we can also work on hip flexion. So I'm taking my foot off because that means that my only point of contact with the floor is going to be my left leg, the one that I'm stretching. And that's going to put a bit more stretch on that Achilles, that soleus, and that gastrocnemius muscle. You repeat that on the opposite side, doing exactly the same instructions, and that is how to do a sagittal calf stretch.